The using guide of W5818H. To activate lighting function, please long press 3S. Long press this button again to turn off this function. Normally speaking, the display screen will show the real-time internal temperature. Press the 2 to decrease the target temperature setting. And the lowest temperature setting is 40°F. Press the 2 to decrease the target temperature setting. And the highest temperature setting is 61 Fahrenheit. After the temperature setting is confirmed, the display will return to show the real-time internal temperature. When hot air flows into the machine, frost will form inside the machine. You can just unplug the unit to let the frost melt. Then wipe the inner compartment. If you find your cooler is not cooling normally, please touch its sides to feel if it's hot or not, and report it to the customer service team. The outer shell of the machine body is covered with a protective film. After receiving the machine, the protective film can be removed.